What's up guys, how are you doing? I'm making this video to show you how to make shorts. I've had this question a few times. As you can see, shorts on YouTube are getting more and more popular. So basically, what is a short? A short video is basically a video under 1 minute long in vertical form. So basically, either those ones you record on your phone, or I'm gonna show you how to edit a normal video into making a short. So as you can see, I'm using Final Cut here. So I'm just going and create a new project. So we call it test, and then we go to this part video and we click on custom. Okay, so this is usually the normal size I use for YouTube for normal videos. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna invert these two values. So we're gonna put 1080 and 1920. Okay, this is all we need to do, more or less. So as you can see here, we have a vertical form. Yeah, so I'm just gonna import a video here just to show you. Okay, we'll just import that. Okay, so as you can see, this now looks wrong because we've got black on top and on the bottom, and we don't want that. So what we do, we go in this part here and we're going to scale the image to about 230%. Okay, this would do. So as you can see, it now cuts the sides and make it so that this format will not have any black parts on the bottom. This is pretty much it. At this point, obviously make sure that the subject of your video is in the middle. If not, you can change here on the right hand side, you can change the position. So for example, you can by changing the values here, you can move the focal point to left or right depending on what you want to show. You can add writing, you can add whatever you want. Just make sure you don't add any writing in this part, bottom part of the video, because YouTube is gonna place some writing. Okay, and this is pretty much it. Then you export and you put the video on just as normal. Okay, I hope this has been useful for you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.